Welcome to a video from thedigital-lifestyle.com. In this video we're going to look at the changes with the Redstone 5 release for HoloLens, also known as the Windows 10 October 2018 update. There's been a lot of changes for HoloLens and got a lot of builds come out through the development process for Windows Insiders testing HoloLens. But I'm just going to show you some of my favourite features with the updated OS. And the first one is the updated menus. So here you can see I've got the menu here where I can stop video recording. Previously, as soon as you bloomed that, it stopped the video anyway. Now it carries on working, so which is great. So I like that menu, but it also means that if you're in an immersive app, then the menu pops up when you're in the app rather than just quitting the app and taking you back to the start menu. So I'm going to open the 3D Viewer app just as an immersive app, and I'll show you what I mean. So here I am in a full screen app. This is the 3D Viewer app, and if I bloom now, instead of it quitting the program, it just brings up the menu, so I can stop the recording, I could take a picture, I can go home, I can adjust the volume, or I could go to the casting, which I'll show you in a minute. So that's a really nice way of opening a menu without having to quit the application. Now, talking of casting, there's the new option there, this Connect option. This does Mirrorcast. What Mirrorcast does is allow you to stream what the HoloLens sees to a Mirrorcast device or a Windows 10 PC running Mirrorcast. Like here I've got with my Surface. Now I can't record and Mirrorcast at the same time, so I'll capture some video here on my Surface. So here you can see the Connect app on the Surface, and it's connected up using Mirrorcast. And it's a bit glitchy where I'm perhaps capturing the video for this, but normally it actually runs pretty smooth. So there you can see what the HoloLens is seeing up on the Surface, and it's way smoother than the old streaming way through the browser or through the app. There you can see it's a little bit glitchy, but now it's settled down. It's working a lot better. So it's a much better way of projecting your HoloLens screen than using the old the browser app. It doesn't disconnect as well, which is some problem I found with the browser app as well. Another new feature is notifications, Toast notifications. I can emulate this by using the Windows Community tool, Dev tool, to force a pop-up. So this is the tool that you can use for developing. And if I pop the Toast, there it is. There's the meeting. So developers can use this in their own applications, but it works already with Twitter notifications, email, Facebook notifications. They all come through like this now. New app notifications after you've installed apps. So I really like that. It's a good way of making it interactive, and you can interact them like you would on a normal Windows PC. Something else that's new is Nearby Share, and this works with any applications that support the sharing option. So here I am in Microsoft Edge. I'm going to show you the sharing option. First of all, that sharing option is new in Microsoft Edge. So you can now share links to Twitter or email or however you want to share them. But also you've got this nearby devices as well. So nearby devices allows you to share to another device. So I can say let's share with my Surface Pro 3 that is on the network together. So there you go, and if you look down here at my Surface, I can open that, and there you go. So I've shared this web page from Edge through Nearby Share, but it works with anything that supports sharing as well. Not so you could perhaps do it with photos, you could do it with text and that kind of thing. So another nice change is the Mixed Reality Viewer application has had an upgrade, and it's now called 3D Viewer. But before we go to the app, I'm going to show you the website, the Remix 3D. This is the Microsoft site where all their 3D models can be viewed. And if I pick a model like the Surface laptop, so that loads this model now. And once that's loaded, I'll be able to pop that out and actually view it within the holographic space. Something you couldn't do before. Before you had to use the Holograms app. That's been retired in favour of the 3D Viewer app. I'll show you the 3D Viewer app in a second. Okay, so there's the model. I click on Mixed Reality. And here you can see it now says loading your model. And there it goes. So now I can have that in my holographic environment, in my 3D environment, and this is the 3D Viewer app. This replaces the Mixed Reality Viewer, well, sorry, the Holograms app, and it was called Mixed Reality Viewer. It's very similar to the website. It has the UI is basically the same as Remix 3D. And with this app, you can search or you can browse through selections of the Remix 3D app. You can import your own devices. There's a list of holograms. We recognise those from the Holograms app. Or you can open your own through there that you've downloaded. But this is the app that is used when you go through here. I recommend going through the Remix 3D app because that website, because that's got all the content in there, and then it just opens it in this viewer. This 3D Viewer app doesn't allow you to search like the website does. Anyway, nice little feature. Means you can bring all these objects in and leave them in your environment. So there's a couple of other changes. There's some new APIs for developers in camera capture and holographic capture. So developers can take use of that. Also, developers can use the on-screen keyboard and file pickers within their apps as well, rather than having to make their own. If you're wondering how you're going to get this update, well, currently it's not available, but it will be available very soon. It's only available for Windows Insiders, and you can test this if you join the Windows Insider program. So you go through here, updates and security, and the settings app to check for updates, and if the update is available, it'll download. Like I said, it hasn't been released yet, but if you do want to get it now, you can join the Windows Insider program, but you are testing the development version rather than wait for the finished version, so it's up to you which way you prefer. So that's all the changes in this build HoloLens. I really do like this new October update for HoloLens. It's just a nice couple of features, especially the Mirrorcast, which works really well, and it's great for demonstrating how the holograms on that you can see real time, better than web streaming. Thanks for watching this video. If you go on thedigitalifestyle.com, you can see all our Windows 10 videos, HoloLens videos, mixed reality videos, all sorts of stuff. You can find us on our YouTube channel at ISDixon on Twitter.